From the back, can you see the ball? Can you see? Okay. So like I was saying, what affected me as a trader while I was my early years of trading, I trade every session. Like I don't really give any session rest. I trade everything, man. I need money. I need money. So I trade the whole session. As a matter of fact, the moment every Friday there'll be this, like I say, depression that the market is about to lose. Meaning there will not be money, or not make many money. You know that feeling? Has it happened to any of you here before? That feeling like, oh, and especially if you have a very decent, a very profitable week, and now it's Friday, it becomes sad. Like, wow, I wish this market could be 24/7. You want to always make money, right? So you notice, and for me as a trader then, like I said, I'll get depressed. I'll start feeling sad at home. So I now have to wait Saturday before Sunday again. But here was the problem. I was trading on every session, right? And as I was trading every session, I was making losses. Huge amount of losses because, and if you notice, when you trade, you know, it's good to rest, is it not? So in our Nigerian time, the Asian session starts around 11 p.m., right? 11 p.m. down till 8 a.m., right? Then from 9 p.m. comes Monday. So that period from 11 to 8, I won't sleep. I won't sleep, right? Remember I said on Friday I'll be depressed. So now it's not time for the markets to open. Of course, I want to trade. So I'll do my analysis on Friday. I'll make my analysis on Friday. I say, okay, probably GPUS is going to buy or it's going to sell. Then immediately market opens. I'm not in 2 times. I'll just place myself on my buy. I find out that, you know, when you trade, they say, you know, there's this saying that goes, when your, how do you put it again? Is it, where your money is, there your heart will be, or so. Or how to put it, where your money is, there your heart will be as well. So right when you're trading in the market, your mind will be on the market. Because your money you're trading, it's your money. Right? So during those periods, and midnight, 11 p.m., 12 a.m., when I finish my trade, I won't sleep. Because my mind will be there, like, oh, my money is okay, has GBP moved up, or has GBP gone down. Sometimes I will sleep, but you sleep, you know, get weight. I will wake up again, check. Say, it's okay, market is slow. I'll sleep again. I'll wake up again, check again. So, you know, it's not getting stressful, right? I mean, trading isn't supposed to be that stressful, actually. Except for if you're just starting, it might look stressful. But in the long run, it's not supposed to be that stressful, right? So that's the problem of trading all Asian session. And I'd like to give you an example about this, why trading an Asian session is not really profitable, actually. Like this particular GPY. So I want you to note, this is blue lines. Can you see the blue line? Can we all see this blue line?
Yes.
Right? So these are the market sessions. Right? Daily. This is the daily market session. Right? So let's say, for example, this line here, this is when a new market session starts, which is always the Asian session, the new market session. If you put the crusher, you see the date there, 11, something like that.
Yeah.
11 p.m. Now, I want you all to notice. Sorry, please, can this go out? Okay, let's say, for example, what's the time now? This is 2:58. So let us assume around 11 p.m. yesterday, which is Friday. 11 p.m. market started, and today, Saturday. This is Saturday moves. Then when it comes to this line, this is the end of Saturday, then this is Sunday moves. Then after Sunday, Monday, this line marks the daily close. Exactly.
Yeah.
Good. So right. So I want you to notice what has always been happening. What has always been happening. That's where market started, right? I wanted to see the time. This is 7 p.m. This is around 1:59. I wanted to see the time. Right. What is this? Two, 23. Make it 00. Just look at this candle, this red candles. Exactly. This is 2 a.m. Remember I said from 11, that's 11 p.m. Then once we get to 12, it's now a.m., right?
Yes.
So this is 2 a.m. I want you to notice what happened. Remember, this line marks, let's say for example today. This line marks today, and this line marks yesterday, right?
Yes.
This line marks start of yesterday and end of yesterday, and this line starts the new today's zone, right?
Yes.
So I want you to notice these candles. Look at the time. This is 2 a.m. I'm supposed to be sleeping, but I will not sleep because my money is involved. My early days of trading. 2 a.m. I'll be awake. Now, this is what the market is doing around 2 a.m. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now let's move it to 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 a.m. What do you see? Strong. Can you now see the move?
Yes.
Very bullish move. Now, I want you to notice that market starts slowly, and in the middle of the day becomes hot. Then going towards the end of the day, it dies down again. 8 in the morning. Can we see the spike?
Yeah.
Now, look at what happened around here. Although you can see a spike actually happened, right?
Yes.
You can see the spike. Then you can see this red candle. This period, they call it the witch time. Because this is when anything can actually happen. This is when anything can actually happen in the market. Anything can literally happen. So imagine you're a breakout trader, right? You don't know who a breakout trader is, yeah? Like a breakout trader is someone who trades a breakout, like, okay, fine, you break this place, I'm going to buy. So if you imagine if you're a breakout trader and you see this, right? This was yesterday's high, is it not?
Yeah.
So you're going to mark it, right? Now this is a high. So when you saw this breakout in the Asian session, it's okay, my market is going to go up, is it not? Then you now buy. And what will you set yourself? Below this candle, right? Is it not?
Yes.
Then what happened? It actually went up, then it dropped down. And from here, you can see the choppiness.
Yes.
There was nothing going on here, it wasn't moving. Your essay which was here, it would have been hit, right? So if you're a breakout trader, your essay will be here. But your essay will be hit, can be easily hit.
Yes.
Do you know why? Because you're trading during the witch time. That's when anything can happen in this market, the Asian session. But fast forward to 8 a.m. in the morning, you can see what happened. There was this spike. This is what? A support, is it not?
Yes.
This is a support. This is a support, you're going to mark it. So this stands for the Asian low. This stands for the Asian low. This is the Asian low. So by 8 a.m., 9 a.m., you're going to mark the Asian low. That's when you are going to find your entry to buy. And that's when you saw this volatility when it's up. Like I say, the market is slow volatility, high volatility, slow till the next day, right? So when the market spiked around here, please I think the also around let me say 3 p.m., 4 p.m.
3 p.m.
This is 3 p.m. You can see how market started dying down.
Yes.
You can see how choppy. Can you see this long candle?
Yes.
You can see how decisive it is. Once, down again, choppiness. These moves happen between, can you put the cross again?
It's the 10.
10, 11, right? 12, then 1, 2. So now, market becomes volatile during the London session, and also the London session overlapping with the New York session. When they're overlapping, that's when it's volatility. That's from literally from 8 a.m. till around 2, 3. The volatility starts dying down. Okay, maybe this one is a bit confusing. Let me give you another example of what happened. This is Friday. Yeah, Friday. On Thursday. Remember what I said, this blue line marks the start of
The next day.
Thursday, right? So you can see what happened. So let's fast forward to 8 a.m. on Thursday, this Friday.
Thursday.
Market didn't really move much here. But from 8 a.m., you can always notice a long candle from that time. Look at what happened before it starts. You can see this choppiness, right?
Yes.
Can you see this choppiness?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is when you shouldn't be trading, because this is very choppy. Price can easily take you out. Now from 8 a.m. you can see the long candle, because there was no much move on this day actually. Then from 8 a.m. you notice a decisive candle, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's move back again to Wednesday. This line marks the start of Wednesday, right?
Yes.
This is where 8 a.m. Is it not?
Yes.
Very good. So this Asian session, can you see the lines? Can you see how choppy it is?
Yes.
So what will you buy and what will you sell for? Absolutely nowhere. You cannot buy, because it's just moving in a straight line. But this is 8 a.m., right?
Yes.
The next hour, which is 9,
9.
what do we see?
Strong spike.
So we can now say that it is during 8 from 8 a.m. you should be expecting to see volatility in the market. Anything lower than, though volatility can happen, that's if there's a fundamental, right? If there's a fundamental at night,
Yeah.
maybe Bank of England or USD, any fundamental, you can see long candles in the Asian session. The size that normally is also from 8 a.m. to about 2, 3, that's when you see a clear volatility. And that's when you can start saying, okay, fine, I mark my support this session and that session. You can even tally it with what happened in the past previous candle, as you can see here. Can you move the crusher to this place? What time is this?
8 9.
9.
9.
9, is it not?
Yes.
So if you mark that 9 to around this place, can you put the crusher here? What time is this? 10. So what has this created? Support. Thank you very much. This is a support. So this is when you can now tally it with your previous, because you cannot use the Asian session, which is around here, to doing your support. No, from the volatility period, that's where you can draw your support. And if you bought from here, the price hit your SL. The price go down and hit your SL. It did it up to the next day.
Yes.
So that's why I say trading on every session is not actually proper, because you can actually lose money in the slower section, right? So I hope that's clear.
Yes.
So those of us who are trading Asian session, yes, everybody trading Asian session. How do you make money? There's no one trading Asian session can come outside and tell us that we make money. Because I can't make money with Asian session. I've tried it again, I say, okay, fine. Let me just forget. Let me go against it. I've tried, but I couldn't make money. So if there's anyone who has made money trading Asian session, like
what sort of?
like you trade Asian session and you make profit on Asian session, and you close the Asian session. I'm not saying you place a trade in Asian session, then now wait till New York session, then now go and now say okay, Asia.
You just have to wait till the next day.
Sorry?
You just have to wait till the next day.
You have to wait till the
Next day.
depending on the time. What kind of trader are you?
I'm a day trader.
A day trader, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
But
So
sometimes we place a trade on. Most times, Asia session is maybe there's a news or something. You just put your buy stop or your sell stop.
okay,
Then
the Asian session. Okay, trade news on Asian session.
sometimes, not all the time.
Okay, that's when you trade Asian session. But on a normal basis, you don't trade Asian session. Okay. Any other person? I'm not saying the Asian session is bad. Like I said, like for me, I'm a day trader as well. And for me, my target levels, they are not too far. Right? They are not too far. Unless I'm a swing trader, I might decide to enter an Asian session and hold it till 3 days, right? But as a day trader, my levels are not that far. So in Asian session, if your levels is not that far, you also will hit. You also will hit. So that part is more like, but I call it a pure gamble. That aspect, because you be like, okay, fine, it's going to hit my SLs, but you know that it's definitely going to hit your SLs. It's like a gamble. So why don't you wait for a higher probability when market is actually moving than you casting your lot on create, why not wait for a breakout, a pure move when the market is actually pumping, call it pump, when the market is actually pumping. That's when you buy in. That's when you key, and that's when you make better money. Tell me how much will you make? How much will you make from here to here or from here to here compared to how much you make from here to this point? There are differences. There are differences. You are a day trader. You are a swinger. Okay? We'll talk about that as well. So that's it for trading Asian sessions. Like the only highest probability session you can trade London and New York. London overlapping New York. Sometimes you know when the market is almost dying, New York session too becomes slow because it's now closer to Asian session, right? So that's the difference about that. So for our next point we'll be discussing. Let's have the slides. Hope that you guys understood what I'm saying.